Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Colorful Chameleon. This is part of an exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members, whereby you guys get to watch the fast, sped-up version of the video, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full-length version of the tutorial. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this one, or many other full-length tutorials that I have exclusively available for the Patreons, and or learning more about the Patreon membership program, there's lots of benefits that you get to enjoy, that painting benefits that increase your own artistic skills. I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a really cool creature. I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.